Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing your main clip and a reference frame to match. You need that visual target. Once done, trim clips to the exact in/out, place them sequentially, and duplicate the primary layer so you have a safety copy. Make sure to enable handles of about 3 seconds for smooth transitions during grading. Now open Capcut's color tool and keep your reference frame visible. This makes each adjustment purposeful instead of guessing. You now perform primary corrections. Start with exposure to normalize brightness, then set contrast, pull highlights down, and raise shadows slightly. Once primary balance is stable, correct white balance using temperature and tint so skin tones read natural. Use the waveform or your eye. Then add a LUT or preset as a creative starting point. Reduce its intensity to around 20–40% so it supports, not dominates. Finally, you finish by refining color selectively. Use HSL to protect skin hues while adjusting overall saturation and vibrance. Subtlety matters. Once tonal balance is set, add a small amount of sharpening and optional grain to blend digital edges. Export a short test clip and view it on the devices your audience uses. If colors shift, check color management and toggle export color space or rebalance white point. If playback looks banded or washed, lower heavy compression and re-export at a higher bitrate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.